Hi and welcome back guys to the AMCrypto channel, your trusted cryptocurrency source here on YouTube. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And today I have really something special for you guys because I want to show you 5 coins that I'm going to buy, or some of them I have already bought, that can make you a millionaire either by the end of this year or in the beginning of next year, in that kind of time frame, because the markets are not really predictable. That's why we have that kind of window. So, and if you think that's interesting, then you should definitely stick around. And let's get first here into Bitcoin. So here on the Bitcoin chart, we can see exactly what I had told you guys. If the Bitcoin price cannot hold to stay within here the middle of the ribbon, that we will see a rejection to the downside. When we are looking also on the 50 and the 200 moving average there, however, we see that the 50 is slowly turning around here back to the upside, but this will only continue if the price action comes at least up to $29,781. If that is not the case, then we should be prepared that we head potentially back to the 2.618, and potentially this time the level will not hold as support and we will drop lower. So however, if we stay above the $2,978 level, then the Bitcoin price could continue to grind slowly higher up. So, and now let's get into the altcoins that potentially can make you a millionaire. And if you want to trade these altcoins, guys, don't forget you can go to BYBIT or to Phemex. On both exchanges you still get a bonus for signing up with the link in the description and in the pinned comment below. $4,050 on BYBIT, $4,100 on Phemex with the link. There you can buy all of these altcoins that I'm showing you right now. So the first is Matic. So why Matic? So when we are having a look on how high Matic was, so the all-time high, you see here, $2.92.8. So we are already almost 80% down from the all-time high. But when we go up now, look here, we're talking here about a 364x only to break the new all-time high. So, and obviously, if the price action comes back to this all-time high, it will break it and go higher. So Matic could go potentially, after breaking $3, all the way up to $5, because from the past we know if we break like a $3 level, $2.50, the coins most of the time they push for $5 or close to $5. So let's say $4.20 to $5, so it's 400, what was it, 572% to 688. So now if you put in $10,000, you would have at that stage $68,800. So with $100,000 it would be $688,000. So there you already see there's massive upside potential once this market is turning around. And now imagine that we potentially go even lower. So if we would go back here, let's say to like 50 cents, then we talk about an 887% move to a potential new all-time high here in the next couple of months. Then the next one that I want to talk about is GMT, Stepan. They are holding on quite well, even though we're also here in a clear downtrend. So, but I can tell you there's news coming out that will catapult this coin back to the all-time high, above $4, above $4.18, and potentially to $10. So what is this news event that will happen in a couple of months? So that news event is that the rental of Stepan, the rental service for Stepan shoes will be open in September, and the app will be open, not beta anymore. So can you imagine what they achieved already in their closed beta, what will happen when they open for the public? So now, if we take it from the price where we are now, and we pull it up to $10, then you see that's another 650% move to the upside. So again, $10,000, $65,000. With the previous one, we are already close to $150,000 only with these two coins, with a $20,000 investment. So it goes quite quickly really well here to the upside. The next one is Solana. Solana is not doing well in this downwards market. So, but here the all-time high was $260. Now we are already 6 times lower. Look at this here, there is like an 80% move to the downside. So, and I reckon that once we are going here back to the upside, that Solana could be easily a $500 coin. So also here, from where we are now, so this could be a 900% move to the upside. You put in $10,000, you get almost $92,000 back. So now we are talking about almost $250,000 out of free coins already. So, and that is just insane. So also when we look on indicators here, sorry, not stochastic, stochastic, on the weekly chart, there is something, most of these altcoins doing this right now. They're in the same position. They're all at the bottom, close to the bottom of the stochastic RSI, which is indicating that they're heavily oversold and they need to bounce. So there is a bounce imminent already. So, and this could be a really good buying opportunity in the next coming days before this weekly candle is actually closing here on most of these altcoins. So then the next one is VET. So then you can see VET was also here at was it higher? No. So that's it. So was here at 28 cents. So it's also 10x, 90% lower from its all-time high. You know, so when I go down here, should be almost, see almost 90%. So, and that VIT has a really good use case to fight basically duplicates, like all the fake shirts and stuff like that, you know, and to put it on the blockchain. Louis Vuitton, for example, their clothes, you can verify on the blockchain if they're actually genuine from Louis Vuitton. So, and this will have also massive use case in the future. So, and especially now with Philippe Plein and other companies getting into the crypto space, accepting crypto as a form of payment. So, and so I reckon that could go all the way up to $1, because they will announce some crazy partnerships in the next coming months. I know that. I talked to some of these partners. So, and that could go to close to $1. So it's 3,231%. So if you put in here $10,000, it would be $323,000. So then we are close to already $600,000 with these 4 coins. So, which is massive. You put in 40K, you get back $600,000. That's a 125x. From if you calculate from $40,000. The next one is Ethereum. So obviously there we will not see so crazy upside. So, but if we just go for a moderate move here to $5,000. Then we are also talking about 155%. You put in $10,000, you get then 15,000 back. So that's $615,000 that you are in profit. So, and I believe that Ethereum can actually break its prior all-time high, which was close here to $5,000. So let's actually say it goes close to $6,000. So you will double your money. So if you put in $100,000, it's $200,000 that added up to the $600,000 that we can potentially gain through the other coins. There you go. There you have $700,000, close to $1 million. The next time when you do this, you will be a millionaire. So you're technically already financially free, depending on in which country you are living. But $700,000 gives you some sort of financial freedom already. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if I should make more of these videos. I'm really curious what you think about this. So, and guys, if you want to make already money with altcoins and you are not sure where to enter, where to exit and all that kind of stuff, then also join my paid signals channel. That is in the description of this video. There you will be directly linked with my stuff. They will give you all the information that you need, and then we can make here stunning gains together. We are up over 1,000% this month for this month so far, which is insane. So definitely check this out. Other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you again tomorrow.